Hey everybody, what's up? It's Marlon Shotland with Urban Bliss Life, and today I am super excited to share with you the first stages of our kitchen remodel. So before we look at what it looks like now, let's take a look at what it started out looking like. Alright, so that's what our kitchen looked like when we first moved in. And here's what it looks like during the first phase of our kitchen remodel. Let's go take a look. So this is what the kitchen looks like right now. We have just had 2 days of renovation so far, and they've already taken everything down. Cabinets are out. The sink used to be here. That's gone. Look at the walls are actually gone. I didn't expect that to happen in the first few days. So this is going to be taken out. A huge beam's going to be put up here, and this is all going to be our kitchen. I can't wait. Today is Tuesday, January 28th. We have walls. They were here doing the drywall today. They also did the electrical, and they added some lights in today, which is really nice. Okay guys, so today is February 4th, almost a month after we started. And look at this! They took down the sheeting because they're gonna be putting the floors in next. It's all wide open now. I'm really excited about how this is coming together.